Hello, my name is Duncan, and today we are going to look at the best colors to create thumbnails or YouTube thumbnails to help you or your viewers or users who are visiting the platform to get to choose or to watch your video. Now, when you visit YouTube, let's go to YouTube. And thumbnails, sometimes they make us even watch things we are not even prepared to watch, because sometimes they are inviting, they have a captivating, design, wording, images, color, and this determines whether people are going to watch your video. In most of the time, you may have a good content, you may spend time on creating content, you may have a good script, but if your thumbnail sucks, people are not going to click, or maybe people are just going to pass your video and go to the next videos, or you, as you can see here, you may be planning to come and find maybe a good video that has all the content that you're looking for, but most of the time you'll pass it and go to the next because the thumbnail makes you just want to click on it, right? So today we are looking at why and what can make your thumbnail to stand out. For instance, we can just try to check these videos and check which ones resonate with you, or maybe your eyes tend to spend most of the time, or maybe they are pulled to go and check certain videos. For instance, we can check this one. Okay, it's good. It's a combination of white, green, and somehow dull a little bit, although using some yellow and darkish background. This one is a combination of black and yellow and red, and this is not bad. And also there's not really bad, for yellow and green and some whitish there. You see, this one is a combination of white and blue. And you agree with me that bright colors tend to be working. They work very well when it comes to creating your thumbnail, your YouTube thumbnail. Colors that provoke emotions tend to be working very well, and mostly these are bright colors. Even if you got these bright colors, they tend to push you because kind of they are clear, they are visible, and you're not struggling to go and find and read, hey, what is this? Yeah. So when looking about creating your thumbnail, you need to identify some of the things that make visitors or users to come and click on your video. Okay. And I'm going to mention that some of the colors that you can think about or to create and see. For instance, when we come on this, we'll start from here. This one not bad. A combination of white and black, not so bad, not so good. This one is green. It's well red, some red there. Though this one I would have preferred visible red, not very much visible, but it's good when that arrow kind of speaks something and tends to make you just go and click and learn what is it that this passive income they're talking about. You come here, we check about this one, not bad. It's a background of a white background, and these are the green is they are green and visible words there. This one not bad, not good. We can go for, and you can even go and check even when the video was posted. And okay, we are not just trying to look at them how many subscribers people have, but you also can check the video that are clear, and you check how many, the duration of the video, and also the views can also tell you something. So what colors? The question is, what colors can one use that are really good for attracting people to go and click on your video? We are saying that we are talking about bright color, so we can start with bright green. Okay, bright green, like okay, this is not very bright, but not many people are using bright. Okay, this is not bad. Bright green, yeah, even this one is okay, although not very much visible. Oh, the background here. So bright green is okay. This yellow is actually very conspicuous. It's a color that you can see from a distance and tells you, oh, I'm seeing you, right? Other thing you can use is light purple. Light purple also works very well. The other thing is blue. Blue not bad. I see somebody posted here that we using blue here. Yeah, this one not bad. Blue, especially at the bright blues color. So also, as you choose, you need also to check your competitors. The other thing is you also need to check your competitors. See what are your competitors posting, what colors are they using. So make sure that the colors that you're going to use are better than your competitors. So that will make your videos, do better than your competitors. And we are going to check email now. Maybe for those of you are wondering how we are going to make these thumbnails, or maybe you try to figure out the way to create your thumbnails. So what you do is just go to a very simple tool that everyone, maybe you probably have used it a couple of times. So you're going to Canva. So when you go to Canva, so when you come to Canva, you come and go to create design. Okay, create design. Then you can come and choose. Okay, I've been using this. So what you do is you come, if you don't see all these suggested things appear below you, you can come and say YouTube. When you write YouTube, or anything that's related to YouTube is going to appear there, from YouTube banner, YouTube channel, YouTube channel logo, YouTube display ad, until you reach to the YouTube thumbnail. The YouTube thumbnail has a dimension of 1280 by 720 pixel. So you click on that and see what's up. So here it is. This is our banner that we're going to create now. Also, you have some of the samples that created for you. You can also use these templates and design them your way and do the coloring. For instance, you can come and pick any of them here and see which one resonates with you. So, but we are seeing that when we can have we can come and even have our color here. Maybe use something like this. We can let's say we want to put our image on the right side. You can come to the elements and pick something. Let's pick something here. Maybe we want our image to be here. We can come and pick that. Let us just upload some image. Just try to create something that let's upload our image. Okay, I'm not going to create. Let's just try to pull something here that is okay. Let me put word. Okay, let me put this one here. Okay, this is not the image that we'd like to use. This is just a sample we are creating, and but although it's good to create to have something. Let's read this. We have something that very closely captured, so we can just pick that one. Then maybe you can push this and maybe expand it like that. We can expand it like that. We can expand it. Okay. And then push it there, maybe somewhere there. Although this is not the real image that we would like to use, then we can come and say we want to pick now our colors. Now we can come and pick say we want to have our background like let's see, we can put it blue. Maybe we say also bright green like that, or maybe we have something like yellowish. Okay, so we can even come and try to make it more brighter like that, something like that. Or maybe we just put the green color. There is a background, bright colors. Then we come and put our wording. We can come and put something like hey. You can say something 29 jobs to look. You can say 29 best jobs for 2023. 23. So okay, yeah, I'm just trying to think around and try to think what's best, and maybe we can come and expand this. Remember, it's good to use each and every word differently instead of you using it as a block, so that the design can come out very well. And when we go even back to our video, you can come and see here, you're seeing you're not combining all this together. So another thing you can do is have each and every one, studying on its own. So we can go back here maybe and let's try to do this and maybe expand it like that. So we can come and put this as white. Okay, we can come put this as red. Red is really, and then we can put our this one is, let's see which one can we put. Let's see how black is going to work. Okay, not bad, not so good, but I'm just to give you an idea. So what you can do is we can just use a different template, like let's treat this one and maybe come and say, can put a booger, put this one like this. come and say, go to the text, we say, hey, you can say, hey, then you can even adjust our so that it may fit our background there. You can come and put this as background as what we can say, put a color, which color, bright color. We can say like that, then we have it as color red. Hey, okay. So we can now go to pick another one. We can come and say something like, hey, check. Check base jobs for check base jobs. Or we can say, hey, here are best jobs for, we can just even come and pick another one and say for 2023, right? For 2023, like that. So we can come and pick another template here like that. We can just come and put it here. We expand like that. We expand like that. Like that. Like that. We can even have the background is a darkish. We can put it black, and then we have the wording is we put it color white. So we can just come and expand that a little bit so that it fits. This one you can just come in and pick something like sorry. You can come and pick like that. We expand like that. We can put this and maybe give it color another, maybe color yellow. We don't have yellow, so we can come and give it yellow like that. We can even try to adjust and see whether it's going to, no, this one is not good, so we can just go, no, the background doesn't work well, so we can change our background and give it maybe color what, so that we can give it color white. No, we wanted this one to be, okay, we wanted this to be color, let's go and give it color yellow like that. Then this one we come and put it there, not visible really, okay, for 2023, so not visible, so they are not working. This one is crashing, so we can give it color, another color, brighter color. Which one? Purple. That one works. So okay, our colors kind of crashed, but now they are visible. At least they are visible. They tend to captivate. They tend to pull the eyes. They tend to, command eye people to look and be able to ask, hey, what are these jobs? And remember, we are talking about the image. You have to have an image that is exciting as well. So okay, not just like this one that I've picked, but you have to have an image that is expressing something, is exciting, is happy. Not just a sad image. You have to have a color that's combining very well in the wording and the color, the background and the wording. And from there, you can now be able to come and even add something that you need to have, and you can even go and do research and get what others are doing, what others are searching about, talking about. You can see the combination of their colors, their images behind. You can put as more images. You can come and even check what makes more exciting. Look at their faces, they're smiling. Look at their faces. Look at this one, they're smiling. So you have to bring your smiley face and be able to see the excited you. You see, no one is dull. They are making people, they're like want to go and click on these thumbnails, and that's now how you make your video, or people to come and want to click more and see, hey, what do you have for us? Yeah. So that's for now, and maybe I wish you well as you continue to make your YouTube video more clickable and to attract more views as you proceed to build your passive income. So bye for now, and remember to subscribe so that you get notified when